Assalamu alaikum. I am Mohammad Arshad and Ratul, and this is my midterm presentation for the course CSE 426. In this presentation, I would like to describe my journey of this course till now. Firstly, I would like to talk about the classes that we have conducted and the outcome of those classes. I would like to address everything from the first week till now. On the first day, we did not have any class, but on the second day, we started with the ice-breaking session where we got to know each other and got introduced with each other. Then we started learning about the history of robots and how the robots were invented and the types of robots that we have in this world. We have also learned about how the robots have evolved from the start till now, and how the robots were so simple in the very beginning and now they use ML and AI to do a lot of work. Sir described some exceptional robots and their functionalities, and we have also discussed the future of the robots and robotics in this modern world. On the third week, we learned about what are mobile robots and how they work and where they are used for. We got to know that mobile robots are now automated with the help of ML and AI, where Sir showed us some of the invention of his and some of the others' inventions where mobile robots can automatically charge the mobile phones, and they use some algorithms to search for the mobile phone stations where they go and charge the mobile phones. He also showed us some robots which are used in medical treatments. For example, first aid robots, which helps humans to give first aid before any in any accident, before any first aid or doctor come for help. As we know that time is very crucial and first aid can save a person's life. On the fourth week, we got to know about soft robots and telepresence robots, where we described and discussed about the applications and how they are beneficial for the world. And we have also seen some videos and applications where soft robots help in many places, like in industries, in medical, and many more. We have seen that many of the soft robots can get into the body and do operations, and also they are less harmful to human as they are not mechanical, and they are also beneficial for human beings because they can replace mechanical robots and can grasp any type of material of any shape without any help of mechanical parts. We have also learned about telepresence robot, which can be used for treating in like coronas, like where people will stay, the doctors or the other persons can stay away from the patient and give advices. And we can also use it for, like, the doctors or the others can use it for meetings, like staying in some other countries and being they can be used as a replacement of their presence. After that, we have selected our projects and we got soft robotics, where we did some researches and we have reviewed some of the papers. As we are 5 in our group and we got a task of reviewing 25 papers at least, so we have decided that we will be doing 5 papers each. So these are my 5 papers which I have reviewed. The first one was design and fabrication of soft robotics hand, with embedded actuator and sensors. In this paper, I have learned that they have manufactured a soft robotic hand in replacement of a human robotic hand. They have manufactured the soft robot using EcoFlex and PDSM. They made the full body of the robot using EcoFlex, and the tip of the fingers was used with PDSM. As we know that PDSM is a hard material compared to EcoFlex, and EcoFlex is a very soft material, where they have designed and manufactured a robotic hand which can grasp up to 41 GPa, and they have a maximum of 6% memory strain, where they can come back to their original shape after they were bent, and they can withstand up to from minus 100 degrees Celsius to 300 degrees Celsius. And also they can carry a weight of 440 grams. In the second paper, my second paper was Actuation Technologies for Soft Robot Grippers and Manipulators, a review. In this paper, they have reviewed 51 papers on soft robotics, basically the hand or the gripper type of papers, where they have compared their designs, their materials, and which material are better than the other. They have compared that, and which material can give you the most output, which way of making the robots are most efficient. Which of the most of the papers have shown that they have used EcoFlex as their material. Some of them have used TPU, and some of them has used many other types of material which are used for building the soft robot. My third paper was direct printing of silicon elastomers soft robots and their performance comparison with the molded counterparts. In this paper, we have seen that they have been doing both the types of soft robot, like they are printing the soft robot as well as they are using the molded type of soft robot using EcoFlex. As we have seen in this paper that they have actually built a 3D printer which can print the soft robotics 3D materials, and they can produce the soft robot. They can make the soft robots using 3D printing, and they can also cure it with the heaters they have in their 3D printer. And they have also made a comparison that, and they have also claimed that 3D printed soft robots are way better than the molded soft robots, as they have seen that 3D printed materials can give a pressure of 133.62 kilopascals of pressure, whereas the molded robots can give up to 87.01 kilopascals of pressure. Whereas they have also shown a comparison of their weights, that 3D printed materials are weighted less than the molded one, and they have less chance of failures than the molded ones. Also, they have shown a comparison of how long does it take to make the robots. So they have given a chart where they have shown making two types of material, using two types of material, the same robots were made. while they were doing 3D printing, it took around 2 hours, and the other robot took 4 hours in 3D printing, whereas in comparison to that, the molded one took 8 hours and 14 hours. So we can see that it was way higher than the 3D printed ones. My fourth paper was flexible self-powered multifunctional sensor for stiffness, soft robotic gripper, and multi-material 3D printing. In this paper, we have seen that they have built a soft robot using a material called Tango Plus. This is a rubber type material which can hold up to a tensile strength of 1.5 megapascal. And we have seen that the sensors can sense the pressures of where they can put the pressure on the object. And the fifth paper was screen printed curvature sensor for soft robots. In this paper, we have seen that they have built a sensor into the soft robots and designed it where this technology is new and scalable, which can be built in low cost for screen printing. And they got really accurate and high sensitive results. And these pictures I have attached in the slides are some of the pictures from the reviewed papers and where they have used the designs they have used in the papers. Now I will talk about the project contributions that I have done in this project till now. We have done the project choosing all together. So I have participated in the project choosing. I have participated in the research, literature review, website, and setting the goals and scopes of the project. I have done the budget and listing with my fellow teammate Tunisha, and also created the Gantt chart with her. We have done two of the block diagrams together as well, and we have collected some samples from our teachers, the pre-survey samples from our teachers and also from our friends. We are also searching for the components and trying to collect them, and we are also helping in the assembling the soft robots, testing the soft robots, and also we are writing the paper. Now I will talk about the final plans of this project. So our goal is to finish this project, collect the post-survey results, fix the flaws if they have any, and if we get some advices that we need to make changes, and also we need to, after we are done with our post-survey results, we would like to complete our scientific paper on the gripper which we are trying to make and share it with the world. And finally, we would like to produce it in a mass scale so that it can help the world. Thank you. I hope you liked my presentation.